Hi, welcome to PHP MySQL 2026 video. We are going to have a brief overview of example 4, 5, and 6. This is a list of suggestions on how to use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL, which is loaded here. Okay, and we are going to quickly cover 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, and 6, a couple of examples here. I'm not going to key in the code during this video. I'm just going to do a quick overview of this. Okay. So the first thing, so let's say you want to learn about functions. The first thing you do is actually should go to the textbook. And they have a couple of chapters that covers all this. Okay. Functions. Okay, how to use and create functions. Chapter 13 has a detailed overview of that. And then for the arrays will be chapter 11. Okay. So if you want to know the details, go through that. What here covers is just a quick overview of how to use some of the simple examples and have a reference of code for you. If you want to run them, you just look at it here. You can see what the results is like. But if you want to run it yourself, which you should actually type in the code that is provided here. Okay. I'm not going to go through all the code. I'm just going to show you how to, let's say you want to copy this code onto your C drive, how you run it. Okay, so this is 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to show you 4 and 5, and then for the 6, you can do the 2 separate files yourself. All right, so let's say I want to run example 4. The first thing you need to do is start your XM, start your Apache. All right, and then go to your localhost. So Firefox, copy your localhost. And obviously that's not what you want. You want the localhost myPHP. So this is the one that you want, right? Localhost / myPHP. Okay. And so let's say you want to run your example 4 here. What you can do is you can actually copy this whole file into your C drive, ham, myPHP, and I'm just going to create example 4 here. Right click this text file, save link as, right click save link as, C drive, temp, myPHP. So when you save, is a text file. So after you save as a text file, you have to rename the text file to PHP file. So now you can open this in Notepad++. So technically you have all my code. You should actually type in the code and then see what it can do for you. But if you download it just to see how it runs, you come here and reload, and this is how the function works. Okay, I'm going to quickly do the same thing for the arrays. So array is much longer. Right click, save as, same thing, same place. And then your array is a text file, so rename it to a PHP file. And then open it in Notepad++. So look at the code, you can make changes, see how it runs. and then go to your local host. Again, did I close it? Control V to paste. And look at the array. Okay, so how to run the file. So that's simple, just how to run the file. You should actually key in the code, look at the code, key in the code, make changes to learn it. All right, that's a short introduction of how to make use of the 4, 5, and 6. I talk about I have two examples about associative array. One here and one here. So do the same thing as well. And then in the next video, we are going to actually go into MySQL database. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.